What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on your PC or your laptop. So firstly you're going to go on a browser and here you're going to search for DaVinci Resolve. Then what you're going to do is to click on the official link, which is this one, DaVinci Resolve 20. Here you're going to scroll down till you see DaVinci Resolve 20 and you have a free download now button. You're going to click on it. Now what you want to do is to choose the version that you want to install and on what operating system. I'm going with DaVinci Resolve 20 and we're going to install it on Windows. Here you have to complete your details, then you're going to click on register and download. As you can see I completed my details, so all I got to do now is to click on register and download. Now we have to wait for it to download. As you can see the zip file has been downloaded, so what I'm going to do is to drag it in another folder. Like so. Then you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on extract all. Then you're going to click on extract. After it was extracted, we're going to open the folder. Then we're going to double click on the installer. As you can see now it's extracting again. Here you're going to click on install. You're going to click on next. You're going to accept the terms and you're going to click on next. You're going to choose where you want to install DaVinci to. Then you're going to click next and you're going to click on install. Here what we want to do is to click on finish, and as you can see now the installation is complete. So all we got to do now is to search for DaVinci Resolve on our PC. As you can see it's right here, so let's open it. Then you're going to click on continue. Here you're going to either do a quick setup or you're going to skip and start right now, which I'm going to do. And as you can see now, we can use DaVinci Resolve on our PC. We can add files and we can start editing with DaVinci Resolve now. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.